Going to practice the greeting words. We start here. Start.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Of course, of course, of course. So kind of you, so kind of you, so kind of you. Thanks God, thanks God, thanks God. Don't be hasty, don't be hasty, don't be hasty. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Not at all, not at all, not at all. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Have patience, have patience, have patience. Try to understand, try to understand, try to understand. Have faith in God, have faith in God, have faith in God. Keep everything ready, keep everything ready, keep everything ready.